sea otters. To find food, they must enter the impact zone. The mussels they want grow on these wave-pummeled rocks. The otter's webbed feet make them powerful swimmers. But it isn't easy. They must time their dives between the 20-foot waves. The reward is a supply of top-quality protein. But for an otter mom, hunting here can be a risk too far. While she dives, she has to leave her baby on the surface, drifting on the strong currents. Mom cries out for her pup, and he recognizes her unique call. She's found him. To provide for her growing youngster, Mom needs to eat 25 pounds of seafood every day. There may be plenty of food here, but there is somewhere close by with calmer waters. There may not be as much food here, but it seems like a safer place for a mom to leave her pup. Or maybe not. A mom can never really relax. She needs a plan. With pup securely anchored, Mom can hunt without worrying. That's not doing the paintwork much good, but a ship's hull does make a fine muscle cracker